Here I'm going to show you how to replace a low beam bulb on a 2020 Hyundai Kona electric. It's this guy right here on the right. So first, you pop the hood down beside the battery. There's this twist off cap. So twist it off, take it out. There's also a flap there on the fender liner that you can open from the wheel well to get to it, but I find you don't need to. So you stick your hand in and rotate counterclockwise, I think. Yep, counterclockwise. There it is. It's a H7 bulb. Might as well buy two while you're at it, because the other one's gonna go soon. The other one actually just went about 3 weeks ago. So pop this guy out. It's on the belly panel, grab it later. Get a new one. Don't touch the glass part. Press it in. Like so. Put it back in the hole and then twist clockwise. Until it locks in place. Then put the cap back on. Close the hood and test it out.